Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go live on Coverstar. It's quick and easy, but you need to make sure a few things are set up first. First, open the Coverstar app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap the plus icon at the bottom. This is normally used for recording videos, but to go live, you'll look for the Go Live option that appears next to it. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because older versions might not support live streaming. Once you tap Go Live, you'll be asked to allow microphone and camera access. Make sure both are turned on. Next, type in a catchy title for your live stream so viewers know what your session is about. You can also choose a cover image or thumbnail to make it look more appealing. Before going live, double-check your internet connection. A strong Wi-Fi signal ensures your live won't lag or cut off. Finally, when everything looks ready, tap the Start Live button. You'll go live instantly, and your followers will get a notification that you're streaming. You can interact with viewers through comments, answer questions, and even send virtual gifts. And that's it. That's how you go live on Coverstar in just a few simple steps. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.